Okay, so this is how you're going to prep your hair for an amazing protective style. You're going to always detox your hair. You want to make sure that your hair is squeaky clean, okay? And then you're going to follow up with a deep conditioner. I prefer mine, which is from my product line, Healthy MF and Hair. It's my Repair Treat. It has a built-in heat protectant as well. It smells amazing, and just look at this. It's going to melt into your hair. I don't care if you're getting a silk press, protective style, whatever. You always want the deep conditioner to melt into your hair. And if it's not melting into your hair, then you know that you're using a product that is not good for your hair, and it's just completely wrong. I don't know how you all like to apply your deep conditioner, but I like to rake my fingers through. And like I said, this is a quality product, so it's going to separate my hair. I don't have to do a lot of combing. I don't have to use the brush to make sure that my hair is fully saturated or that it's going through because of the product. And it is thick. It is not too thick, but it's perfect because it melts into your hair, like I said. And when I'm applying my deep conditioner, I want to see my curl pattern pop. This is how I know it's fully saturated and my hair is going to do an amazing job during this process. And I can't stress enough of how important it is to do a really good routine before you're getting a protective style, because you got to think you're putting synthetic hair in your hair, especially if you're getting braids, and that can sometimes dry your hair out. So you have to make sure that your hair is protected, because we want to have options. We don't want it to be a mandatory thing that our hair always has to be in protective styles, always have to be weaved up. You want your hair to be the top priority. You also want to pay close attention, especially if you have color treated hair like myself. I put a little bit more there. You're then going to sit underneath the dryer with heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. And yes, heat is a must. And in this 8-ounce jar, you can tell how much I used, and I didn't even use a lot. So this one 8-ounce jar can be used multiple times for your deep conditioning process. And after you rinse it out, you're going to section your hair off into fours and let it kind of air dry, and then you can follow up with the blow dry. The next day I had my appointment. It was a great appointment, not only because of her expertise and her talent, but my hair was prepped properly, so that way I didn't leave with any tension, leave with any issues, and my hair turned out great. Thank you for watching, my boos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me for more.